Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble a Dell XPS 14Z or Z. Here's the laptop. This is an i5 version. Pretty nice little looking system, and you'll notice has a good number of ports on it. You'll need a T5 screwdriver, or a Torx screwdriver, I guess. Make sure it's T5. I bought this one at Home Depot. This is a Husky brand Torx set. It was roughly $5.79. Pretty much all Home Depots carry this. It's a kit that comes with a variety of different sizes, like T4, T6. It has everything you need, but you only need the T5. So you need to remove 6 screws. These are tiny, so try not to lose them. Also, be sure not to strip them out. These are easy to strip due to the small size where it's a T5 Torx. Now that you have that, all the screws removed, you need to find a point where you can get a gift card underneath. I found it's easier to start on this end. This is the back, this is the power, and start prying the clips up. You can kind of go all the way around. This actually comes off real nice and easy. Be careful flipping this over. There's a little piece you need to release there. This, I'm not sure what this is. This piece right here, I'm not sure what some kind of sensor, I guess. Anyway, this will provide you access to the system. Here's the battery. Anytime you take any internal components out, you want to unplug the battery just like that. Just use your fingernails to pull that back. Here's the wireless WAN card. This has an Intel Centrino 6235. There have been some issues with various brands of laptops with some of these cards. This also has a Wi-Fi problem, which I'm assuming is due to the metal display lid, where it's interferes with the Wi-Fi signal. It's not very strong. You can turn off Bluetooth in Windows to improve the range, but I've yet to find something that really makes it on par with traditional laptops that have a plastic LCD. Anyway, yeah, as far as other upgrades, you have your memory right here. I don't know the maximum you can do. It's just 1 DIMM. It's not soldered or anything. Your hard drive's right here. May or may not have that plastic piece. To remove the hard drive, you would have to basically remove one of these sides, this cable that goes across, pull that out of the way, and then remove the screws that hold the drive in. Easy to upgrade to a solid-state disk. This is a Samsung 840 series. It's a 7mm disc, not a 9.5. So notice how it's skinny, very thin. You can't, as far as, it doesn't look like you could put a 9.5mm disc in here. If you upgrade to the solid state, you may want to remove this card right here. This is the onboard solid state disc. mSATA is what this is. This is on this laptop. It's designed primarily for the Intel Rapid Start in conjunction with a regular hard drive. I suppose you could leave that in, but it's kind of up to you. But to get a full solid state, just pull this out, put it in. Dell should provide you with operating system disks, or you can order them online to reload your operating system on the solid state. But the battery's pretty easy to remove. It just screws around the edge, the connector right here. I'm gonna go and plug this back in. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Very easy to take apart and to gain access to. So just remember, you need a Torx T5. This is a Husky branded one. It's just kind of a variety. Has a few different sizes with it, but this worked wonderful to get it open. So that's all for now.